Looking to design your dream space quickly? Follow our easy tutorial to create a new project, draw rooms, add doors, windows and structures. Get your professional floor plan done in just 5 simple steps. First step, create a new project. Enter the workspace. Click on the New Project in the upper right corner. You can select the idea template or floor plan template and click Apply. Second step, draw a room. After the floor plan template is applied, you can use wall tools to draw new rooms. Select the floor plan. Wall-to-wall drawing must be closed to generate rooms. Third step, name the room. After drawing the room, you can name it. Switch to 2D mode. Select the room. In the right basic panel, set the room. Type in room name. Fourth step, place doors and windows. There are 4 types: door, window, bay window, opening. You can choose as needed. Final step, add structures. Select a structure. There are columns, beams, flues, partition walls and other structures to choose from. Floor plan design is so easy. Come and try it. That's all. Thanks for watching.